This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carol Hall. Beautiful, charming farmhouse-style home nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac in popular Greenbrier neighborhood. Incredible kitchen remodel with LVP throughout first floor and new carpet upstairs. Open floor plan with generous-sized rooms. New refrigerator. Freshly painted inside and out. Professionally landscaped. Move-in ready with tasteful upgrades throughout the home. Large backyard with shed and newer privacy fence. Hunnindon Woods is conveniently located near the new Summit Point, a hub of shopping, dining, and entertainment. Greenbrier is near interstates and centrally located to all of Hampton Roads. October 3, 2024. For more information, review the details below.